Earnings season is here again, and we're only starting off with about 200 companies this first week, but it's going to really pick up after that. And this week is full of big names, the big cap names you and I both follow. So we're going to want to jump right in and see what's going on. I'm leading off with 5 of the most spectacular charts this week who happen to be going off really early this week as well. So they're all kind of lumped together, but let's jump right in and see what those are. So we're leading it off with the name I bring every time, Johnson & Johnson. But as you can see, they have the perfect track record. That's why I lead with them. The shares are a little more iffy, so this chart isn't as beautiful as some of the others that we're about to look at. But if you are a long-term shareholder in Johnson & Johnson, you're not really complaining. Now, they are off their highs there. As everything we're going to see on a lot of these charts, we're going to see that pullback on most of the positions. But we'll see what they have to say and if they beat and or meet again, because they have this great track record and it's something you're going to want to watch. Then we're going to switch over to what I consider the best chart of the week, as it says. This is UnitedHealth. They have beaten every quarter as well. So this is just a great chart. There's not much more you can say, and they're not even pulling back that much off those highs. As you can see, just a little bit of a pullback there, but this is a beauty. Then we're going to switch over to another one of my favorites, Domino's. This is the king of the restaurant stocks. And that's because their same-store comparable sales have been so strong for basically the last couple of years. I'm not sure how much longer they can keep up with those numbers. But on the beat and meet side, they have a real good track record with that last miss just in 2016. This one, too, is holding on to most of its gains, which is kind of surprising given how hot these shares have been. But people are really big believers in the Domino still. Then we're going to switch over to the first of the FANG stocks, Netflix. This is a pretty chart too, especially if you've owned the last couple of years. It's just got the 2 misses in 2017, but shares have still been skyrocketing. They are off those highs just a tad there too, as many of these companies are, but this is still one of the hottest ones that everybody's going to want to be watching. And then we're going to switch over to the semiconductors. Lam Research also has this great track record of meeting and or beating, but the shares have really taken a dive here, as most semiconductors have. So this will be interesting to watch to see if they can say anything that's going to stem some of these down cycle jitters that are happening with the semiconductors. But all eyes will be on this one during this week as well. So as you can see, there's a lot of hot names going off just early on in this week. And these are some really great charts. Yes, some of them are off their highs, but as far as the beats, they have great track records with very few misses amongst these 5 companies. So you don't want to miss a single one of our videos throughout this earnings season, because I'm going to be bringing you more charts that look like this all throughout the third quarter earnings season. You can get them on Zacks.com and you can get them on YouTube, so be sure to subscribe.